Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox bad requests. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox bad requests, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page you will enter to this window of Roblox. Then in this list of app info you will click on first stop and you will click here OK. Then you will enter to storage. After that in this page you click on clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a minute to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you